Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to enhance a photo using AI. So let's get started the video. First open your web browser and then search for AI photo enhancer. There are many AI photo enhancement tools available online. For this tutorial, I am using Adobe Photo Enhancer. Once you are on the website, now click Upload your photo. Select the photo you want to enhance from your computer. Wait a few seconds for the image to upload. For better result, use the highest quality original image you have. After uploading your image, this will open the edit option. Click on auto. And this will start enhancing your image. Once the enhancement is complete, click on the download button to download your photo. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.